Hey guys, today let's learn an authentic recipe of India which is Mysore Pak. Keep ready 1 cup besan, half cup sugar and 3/4 cup of oil plus ghee. Now in a pan add sugar and half cup water, allow it to boil. Meanwhile heat oil and ghee mixture. As the sugar melts, keep stirring to a thread consistency. When reached, add besan while stirring. Now, add hot oil plus ghee to the pan. Keep stirring. As the besan settles, add 1/4 spoon of cardamom powder. Mix well again and switch off the stove. Make it a mold and divide into parts. That's all. Yummy Mysore Pak is ready to eat. Isn't it simple? Hope you all try it. Let's read the quote for today. Life isn't about finding yourself. It is about creating yourself. That's a wrap, guys. See you again.